Hi everyone and welcome to this Copernic Desktop Search tutorial. Today we're gonna see how you can activate your license offline. Basically, you will want to use that procedure only if you do not have an internet connection or if you have a restricted network access. So first you must completely exit Copernic Desktop Search and then go to your C drive, then Program Data. If you do not see the program data folder, it may be hidden by Windows. So you must go in the display settings from Windows and make sure that the hidden files and folders are deactivated in Windows. So you go in Program Data, Copernic folder, Desktop Search, and you delete the whole bunch of files that may be in the folder. Then you go back, you reopen your Copernic Desktop Search software, you go to the extensions menu, click on import license file. You're gonna import here the license that you received with your purchase or your trial. And since you do not have an internet connection or a restricted network access, Copernic is gonna display a message about this. So you need to click on export. Then select the place you want to save that file, for example, in the download folders. So it's going to create a file named offlinelicense.lic, and you must take that file and send it back to us, to our support team. So you go to copernic.com in the support section, and then you submit a ticket with your offline license.lic file, and then we'll be able to activate it for you, and we will send you back a new file that you're gonna import in Copernic Desktop Search to activate offline.